In this video, we'll show how to create a audio description text file from the transcript we have for a video on YouTube. So let's select a video. On that video page, we will find three dots underneath the video window here. You click on those dots and you will see the option for Open Transcript. Click on that. That will open a window on the upper right here that has a transcript of that the captions that are part of that video. We can check to make sure that the timestamps are off. If you see numbers next to the text, that's not necessary. So we just hit toggle timestamps to turn that text off. So now that we do that, we are going to select all the text within the transcript. Have everything highlighted there. Then you go up to Edit, Copy, to copy that text. Our next step will be in Microsoft Word. So for that, we get a new blank document. And then we go in Microsoft Word now. That's where we are. We will go to Edit, Paste. And that's the text that we just got from our transcript in YouTube. The next, the way we're going to process this file needs to be processed in order to make it easier to add audio description in the transcript. So we're going to use the Find and Replace command for that. To do that, we go up to Edit, Find, and go over to Replace. In the fields that pop up in the first field, the top field is the Find field, and we will type in $P. Then the field below it, the Replace field, we're going to just type a simple space. I just typed space on the keyboard. Then we select Replace All. That replaced all of the occurrences where it found that character. Now we're going to perform another search and replace function to further process this. So now in the Find Replace, in the Find field, we will type in period space. So period space now goes in the Find section. Down below in the Replace section, we're going to type in period, caret, lowercase p, caret, lowercase p. Once again, we hit Replace All. All occurrences have been replaced, and it's now easier in which to type information. Now our next step is to watch our video and type in what we see at the beginning. So I'm going to create a couple of lines. What we do is we'll put the caps lock on because case doesn't matter in these audio descriptions. And we put the audio descriptions between brackets in Word. So I started the start bracket, and we'll say Caltrans logo. Close that off, then we'll play the video. And say Newsflash logo.
With a cow.
And then we will type in the first video shot we see. Now I generally type in the audio description prior to the text of the audio that appears.
Award the state bestows on its public servants, and Caltrans has 5 recipients.
The state of California takes great pride in presenting the
So here's where we are now. I'm going to say
Medal of Valor to California Department of Transportation electrician Broderick Carmichael.
On March 16, 2017.
and put brackets there. So it's up to you about how much detail you want to go into in writing your captions.
Carmichael and his colleague were in Hermosa Beach working when a car came hurling towards.
Let's change that to photos.
Broderick's co-worker. He pushed her out of the way, ultimately saving her life. The car came to a stop in the exact spot where his colleague had been standing.
I've never been a Medal of Valor awardee before, so.
So basically, we work our way through the video, and
On March 1st, 2018, about
find all the video images, and when the images change, we type in a new audio description for them. All right, so when we're all done with typing in description, we work our way throughout the video. The final step is to save this, and for that we save it as a text file, not a Word document. So we go up to File, Save As, and then for the file format, pull down to plain text with a .txt extension. And we call that according to the video's file name. That file that you save, that text file, we will come back later into the description field on YouTube, and we will put a link to that in there. So for example here, this would be a link address that would be provided to you. Hit Edit Video in the description field. You pull down at the bottom there, and we can say Audio Description. And then underneath that, we would have the link. Now, someone with text to audio software could be able to click on this link and be able to hear the audio description file that you created. All right, that's all we have for now. Thank you.